What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin, and today we are at Campsite Brewing Company. Once again, we've been here a few times because we are hanging out with the San Gabriel Valley Rivian Club. Today's going to be a special one, extra special one. It's always special because we have Rivian's detailing crew here. I didn't even know they had one, so this might be something new. So here we are. We have our R1Ts and R1Ss, and we have an EDV over there from Rivian. I believe that is their detailing crew. So we're gonna go and check it out. And we have Bobby here. I haven't seen this guy in a minute. All right, I got George here with Rivian. So Rivian does have a brand new service. What is the actual name of it?
So it's actually our detail program. So we essentially offer interior, exterior, and ceramic coatings at the service centers for now. Each of the pricing is about $100, not $100 for the wash and wax, and then it's going to be $200 for interior, $200 for exterior, or $350 for both. We should offer ceramic coating at $1,800 with a 7-year warranty backed.
Ah, so ceramic coating is also available. So $350 for pretty much everything.
Uh-huh.
Ah,
$350 for interior, exterior, and then $1,800 for the ceramic coating. That one's a 7-year. We're all trained by Dr. Biggs, which is the one we use, which is actually over here.
So we have an EDV here, and so all their stuff is in here, but it's available at service centers, mostly throughout California, some outside California, and you guys are expanding.
Correct.
All right, so a question that I was thought about was some of these Rivians have a lot of third-party accessories, like, for instance, Gene on his R1T has a lot of stuff on his bed. If he was to bring it to you guys and he wants it detailed, like what will be the process? Would you be able to clean around it, or you're going to clean including it and stuff like that?
So most of the time we'll just end up cleaning, including it in. Anything surface level, we'll basically just take care of. If, for example, if water falls on it, we'll go ahead and dry it off, clean it off, making sure that we use the proper chemicals in order to not harm the materials that are on it. Everything we use is pH neutral, so none of the third-party materials should be affected. It should all just be nice and clean.
So it's not like I got to remove all my stuff, or you'll just clean around it. I mean, if it's there, I mean...
If it's there, we will take care of it.
Okay, there you go. See, don't worry about your accessories. I guess it's a case by case.
Correct.
And also dependent on what accessories we're talking about. So, so if you're in California, they pretty much have it in most service centers. So contact your local service center. But they are expanding. Outside of California, you mentioned, I think, Denver?
Denver, I believe, Richmond, Gaithersburg, Oregon has one. We're trying to expand where we offer these services, but for now, most of the time we're located in Southern California.
And it's Rivian. It's not a third party. It's Rivian.
Nope, we're all Rivian.
Awesome. Thank you very much, George, for your time and sharing the information with us.
Well, thank you for having us. I appreciate it.
All right, so they brought out the EDV. I think this is the 500. I got to take a peek of the back, how things are set up, and unfortunately, I could not record it at this time. They are still prototyping things, but very neat. And I was curious, like, why do you have it set up on a vehicle? I guess it's just to show off and promote the service, because being it's brand new. So because we have an event here, they wanted to bring it in the EDV, not only to show off the EDV, but also show some of the things that they have as far as when you go into service, those are the equipment that they use to go and detail your vehicle. So they also brought out a Gen 1 R1T. In the bed of the truck, they do have some setup in there as well. And again, I cannot show any of that stuff, but man, it's pretty cool. And in the gear tunnel, they have more equipment now. Here is their service menu. Oh, can you focus on there? And yeah, you pretty much contact service as you would if you needed anything else, and they will schedule you something. Again, this is not available on all service centers, but those are the areas that are available. So check it out. I got my little badge today. Look at that. Man, this camera is horrible at focusing. Come on. Look at that, right there, right there, right there, right there. All right, so this time we're gonna be seated outside. Check out this place. The theme is campsite. That's why it's called campsite. It's really nice out here. This is the first time we are actually sitting outside. Normally we are inside there, but today we are here outside. It's a beautiful day here in Southern California. I think we're gonna hit somewhere 80 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's still February, y'all. This is our winter. But yeah, we are hanging out here. We're gonna check out our presentation with Rivian detailing service, and we're gonna enjoy some breakfast. All right, so that was pretty cool meeting George and Dominic from Rivian and the detailing team. That was cool announcement. I'm hoping I can use referral points to get some services done. He's gonna go look into that. But yeah, I mean, it was fun. I didn't win prizes this time. They were giving away some cool stuff, blankets, coasters, shirts, many prizes, but didn't win this time, but that's quite all right. I won some great ones in the past. Next trips, they mentioned Idlewild in a couple of months, and two other trips. I can't remember the location, but it's in the summertime. So as soon as I find out more information about that, yeah, I'm gonna bring it to you guys, and then hopefully can see you guys there as well. But that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you think about that Rivian detailing services. I like my truck dirty, but my interior does need a little bit of cleaning. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't checked out the Joshua off-roading trip that we did with San Gabriel Valley Rivian Club, please go check it out.